Want to paint beautiful flowers without switching between a dozen brushes? In this video, we'll paint 5 stunning but super simple flowers. All beginner friendly, all using just one brush. We'll start with the classic tulip. Hold your brush vertically and begin with the center petal. Lightly press and curve to form a soft shape. Now for the outer petals, use the same press and curve motion, but leave small gaps between them. This makes the tulip feel more natural and layered. Next up, a cheerful daisy. So I started painting the center first, just a quick dab of brown and yellow. Then I pulled out the white petals from the center, one by one, using light pressure and just the tip of the brush. By the way, I used gouache on black watercolor paper for this one so that the petals would really pop. So just feel free to do the same. So this one's about layering. Start with small curved strokes to build the inner petals. Then, angle your brush slightly and make comma shapes that follow the curve of a half circle. Add larger, looser strokes around it to form the outer petals. So keep the brush at an angle for that wrap look. Let's paint some calming lavender. First, I sprayed water on the paper with a spray bottle. Then, I dab a small amount of purple paint using the tip of the brush. So as the paint scattered on the wet surface, I let it dry naturally. So this creates a soft, dreamy base. Once it dried, I dab more concentrated purple over the top to build up those tiny clustered blooms. Then, I use the edge of the brush to pull in a thin, slightly curved stem underneath. Let's end big with the hibiscus. Place the brush flat, press down, and pull outward in a petal shape. Repeat to make 5 big petals around an invisible center. Then, finish with the stamen using a liner or the tip of your wedge brush. Lastly, add thin lines on the petals. Which flower was your favorite to paint? Let us know in the comments. And if this helped you feel more confident with your wedge brush, hit like, subscribe, and stick around because we got even more easy painting tutorials coming your way. Happy painting!